Let's see how workplace employees can join a waitlist to make a reservation. From the Employee Center homepage, select the Workplace Services drop-down list and select Browse Workplace Services. Select the Reservation Waitlist Record Producer Form Card option. In the form, click the drop-down for Reservable Type. Make sure that the option to enable a waitlist option is allowed by your administrator. Select the building location. For waitlist record, desks reservable types are supported. You can also opt to select a neighborhood. Neighborhoods assigned by your administrator are available for selection. Select a floor where you want to make a reservation. Select the start date, start time, end date, and end time for your reservation. Select Submit to join the waitlist queue. Your request is confirmed immediately if a space is available or queued until one opens. The waitlist summary page shows the waitlist record status. Select View Reservations to view your reservation and make updates to it if required. Your reservation is now confirmed.